Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial presented by the SHLDB. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the list and special characters. So you are going to learn how to list different phrases or different objects inside your document, and you are going to learn how to insert special characters too. So let's try to list. So let's try with the simplest one, which is how to insert special characters. Let's say I want to write my money. So I want to write I am left with 50% of my initial money. So now I wish to write percentage with a percent sign. So when I first compile here and then I run, I open, I am left with 50% of my initial money. Now I want to make sure that the percentage should be the percentage sign which is used in mathematics. So now let's see if I replace here this percent with the percentage sign. So let's come and see. You come back and you come inside, you have I am left with 50. So the reason is just because the percentage sign here, as we initially said, is a comment line. So everything that comes after the percentage sign is coming as a comment. So you have percentage of my initial. So everything which is considered here is going to be a comment. So in order to prevent this comment is to go on the next line and write the, let's say the SHRBB. So if I go on the next line, you see that the comments line is not going to work, as you are going to see here. The comments line, you see, is no more working and it's visualizing SHRBB. So now let's cancel this. So you see that percentage sign cannot be written by this format. So and this is similar with special characters. All special characters, let's say all special characters such as this is percentage sign showing that it's a comment. So all special characters such as this asterisk sign, the dollar sign, percentage sign, the quote sign. So you have this. You have this one is a sharp sign. You have the asterisk sign. So this percentage sign are special characters which are not being written in our code when we write directly. So in order for us to output these special signs, even with the slash, the backslash here, in order for us to output this special sign, we need to use certain formats. So and this format is very easy. The format is just just for me to place the backslash here. So the format to output the special character is to place the backslash as such. So when you place the backslash, it's normal considering the word which come later as being comment. So when you place backslash and your special sign, which is percentage here, we are going to now visualize percentage on your document. So let's compile and we run here. So you have I am left with 50% of my money. So we see this as such. So this is correct. The next thing is I want to say I have $50. I have $50. So since I said I have $50, in order for me to see that when you write you have this, I have $50. Let's say I want to draw another line. So I have $50 comes on next line. If I want to do I have $50, so this is it. I have $50. I visualize on the next line. So I have to make sure that this dollar comes as a dollar sign. So in order to do it as dollar sign, let's first try with dollars as such. You see that everything that comes here is coming in green. This is because dollars call a certain function in LaTex called the math function. So or the math mode. So So when you call that, you see that an error comes to you. So in order to bring up the $sign, you first have to place this word and you space it. You place your backslash and place a $sign as such. You do this. And you run, you see that $50 appears. Now these are the same with this and this, so everything you have to use all those. Now the next point is to use how to make sure that the backslash is coming out. You see that here when you write backslash and backslash, you know that if I want to put backslash out, let's see backslash and backslash. So you see that when I have this, I compile and run, I come here, it just keeps a line, it does not show the backslash. In order for me to show backslash on my screen, I have to write text backslash as such. So when I do this, I compile and I run, I come, you have a backslash. So in order for me to write backslash on this my screen, I will not use the same format as the other one, backslash. I'll use backslash and I'll write text backslash in order to write backslash on my screen. So these are the different methods which are being used. Again, now if you want to write accents, so if I want to write accents in my code,